Today we've got a 2016 Buick Cascada Premium with a toasted coconut exterior and a light neutral interior. 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. Rear parking sensors. Alloy wheels with 4-wheel disc brakes. Fog lights. Leather seats. Power driver seat. Power windows. Power mirrors. Automatic headlights. Collision detection. Cruise control. Steering wheel audio controls. Heated seats. Climate control. Navigation. Backup camera. OnStar. Rear bucket seats.
JD service drive, please. JD service drive.
Come check us out at Haydocy Automotive on the west side of Columbus.